Understanding restoration goals in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, restoration goals. This term is not just two words put together, but it carries a deeper meaning, especially in various contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone trying to grasp English nuances, this video will illuminate the concept of restoration goals for you. Restoration goals is a compound noun consisting of two parts, restoration and goals. Let's break it down. Restoration. This word comes from restore, which means to bring something back to its original state or to repair something. Goals. These are targets or objectives that someone wants to achieve. So, when combined, restoration goals refers to objectives aimed at bringing something back to its former condition or improving a situation that has deteriorated. Understanding restoration goals is best done by looking at its use in different contexts. 1. Environmental context. Here, it might refer to objectives set to restore a damaged ecosystem or endangered species. 2. Personal development. In this scenario, it could mean personal objectives to regain a lost skill or recover from a setback. 3. Historical preservation. It could also refer to efforts aimed at restoring historical buildings or artifacts to their original state. Let's see how restoration goals can be used in sentences. 1. The national park has set ambitious restoration goals to revive the natural habitat. 2. After his injury, the athlete's restoration goals included regaining full mobility. 3. The museum's restoration goals involve restoring ancient paintings to their original glory. I hope this video has been enlightening and has helped you understand the meaning and usage of restoration goals. Remember, every phrase in English can open up a world of meaning and context. So keep exploring and learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.